Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove iOS 14.5 beta 7 profile without computer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Right now I have a iOS 14.5 developer beta 7. Now we are going to uninstall or remove this beta version. For that we have to go to settings. Now scroll down, find and tap on general. Under general, scroll down, find and tap on profile and device management. Here scroll down and find iOS 14 beta software profile and tap on it. Now tap remove profile, iPhone passcode required. Then tap again remove to confirm. If you want to restart, then tap on restart, otherwise tap on not now. Now we are going back to check the profile is removed or not. Go to settings, tap general and tap software update, and your software is up to date to iOS 14.4.2. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.